Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can record your computer screen using OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a free software for Windows and Mac, and it is used for screen recording and live streaming. First step is to go to obsproject.com, download and install OBS. Once it is installed, run the OBS. And from the sources panel, click on plus icon. And from the list, select display capture. Because you would like to record the whole screen. If you would like to record just a specific window, then you can select the window capture. So I'm going to select the display capture. If you would like to give it a name, then type the name. Otherwise, just hit OK. Now I can see my computer screen inside the OBS. This is the first step. And the next step, if you would like to add the camera as well, then again from the sources panel, click on the plus icon and select the video capture device. You can change the name. Otherwise, just hit OK. Now from this device drop down, select the webcam or any camera you would like to use. I'm going to select the webcam. You don't need to change anything else here. Just hit OK. Now we can see the computer screen and the webcam. We can also change the location of the cam by just dragging, and we can place it wherever we want, and also we can resize it by dragging from the edges. Now we have our screen capture here and camera here, and here in the sources you can see there are two sources. Display capture is my monitor screen and video capture is a webcam. And make sure that in the scenes you have at least one scene. Otherwise, you can add new scene by clicking on the plus icon. In the audio mixer panel, there is a desktop audio, which is sound coming from the computer, which could be a game or a YouTube video playing on your computer. Then we have mic, and this is your voice input. You can click on the gear icon in front of the mic, and then you can click on the properties. From this device drop down, you can select the microphone, whatever you would like to use. It is recommended to use the external microphone for the better audio. This one is the video camera audio, if you would like to use it as the input. And here you have different settings. You can change the volume. You can mute the audio from here. Let's say if you don't want to use audio from the video source, you can mute it. You might not want to use desktop audio. You can mute it as well. And you can keep mic audio if you want. So these were the audio settings. So just one more step before I start recording. Click on the settings from the controls panel and go to output. From here, just change the recording format to MP4 because it is most commonly used and compatible format. You don't need to change any other option. Just change the recording format and click on OK button. Once everything is set, click on Start Recording button. Now recording has been started. You can record whatever you would like to record. For example, this is OBS website. We are currently recording our computer screen. While we are recording, I just want to go to this website. Sometimes when you open the OBS and try to capture the screen, you can get a black screen. You would not see your computer screen inside the OBS. Instead, you might get a black screen. Then you can use this website, or you can go to Google and type OBS black screen and click on the first link and just follow the steps. If you have Windows 10 or newer, just follow these steps. Open settings, search for graphic settings, and then select classic app. Browse to the location where you have installed OBS and then click on options. And then if you would like to use display capture, click on power settings. And then you can restart the OBS. In this way, you can fix the black screen issue if it happens to you. Now assume that we have recorded whatever we would like to record. Go back to OBS and click on stop recording. So the recording has been stopped. Next step is to view our recording. For that, click on File menu and select Show Recordings. So this is our recording in the MP4 format. We can play it. So this is whatever we have recorded. I'm going to close this recording. Now you would need a video editing tool to trim the video from start and from the end, and for any further editing.